Assalamu alaikum. So in this video I will solve the solution of this equation by using Gauss-Seidel method using this code. Okay, so let's start. To use Gauss-Seidel method, first I need to write the equation of x1 and x2. So from the first equation I can write x1 is equal to 7 minus 6 x2 divided by 5. Okay, and from the second equation I can write x2 is equal to 11 plus 3 x1 divided by 8. Okay, so now what I will do in my code, first I will assume x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0. You can choose this value whatever you want. We will see it later. If I change the value, the answer will be correct. It's not a problem. So first we will take x1 and x2 is equal to 0. Then x2 is equal to 0. If I use x2 is equal to 0, I will get a value of x1. Then use this value x1 here and you will find a value of x2. Then you have to again use this value x2 here and you will find a value of x1, and then again you will find a value of x1 and use this x1 here, you will find x2, and this will goes on and goes on. So let's start. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's dive into our code. So x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0, and now we have to apply a for loop here. So for I in range, oh, it's a Python code. Okay, so it's a Python code. So for I in range, let's say the iteration number is 1000. The more will be the iteration number, the more you will get the perfect result. So let's say the iteration number is 1000 for this time, and now we have to make the equation of x1 and then x2. So let's make it. So x1 is equal to 7 minus 6 x2 then divided by 5, right? And x2 is equal to 11 plus 3 into x1 then divided by 8. Okay, now finally I will print x1 and x2, and let's see what happens. I will get the result, the solution of this equation. X1 is equal to this and x2 is equal to this. Now whether these two solutions are right or wrong, let's check it. And how can I check this? How can I check this that my answer is correct? I have to put the value x1 and x2 in the first and second equation, and let's see the left hand side and the right hand side is equal or not. So first let's put x1 and x2 at the first equation. So 5 x1 plus 6 x2, and let's see this is equal to 7 or not. Okay, so this is equal to 7. And now let's check the second equation. Minus 3 x1 plus 8 x2. It is not the part of Gauss-Seidel. Okay, we are just checking. Okay, so we are just checking our answer is right or wrong. Gauss-Seidel part is this. Okay, so let's see this part is equal to 11 or not. So let's run the code here and see 11. So 7 and 11, left hand side is equal to right hand side, and that means our value of x1 and our value of x2 is correct. Okay, so now the initial conditions we have choose 0 and 0 0, but we can choose other things like, let's say x1 is equal to 100, then x2 is equal to minus blah blah blah, and let's see what happens. Let's run the code here and see our left hand side and right hand side are again equal. Okay, and if I increase the iteration method, it's good for us. If I increase the iteration method, we will get more accurate result. But if I decrease the iteration method, let's say just 3, then you will see that our result will not be perfect. See, our result is not perfect, right? 11 matches, but what is this? This part will should be 7, but okay, let's increase the iteration. Let's say 10 and let's see what happens. Okay, let's increase it by 50. Oh, 6.999, but it should be 7. So now 100. Okay, so now this is 100. This is 7. So the summary of this code is, the more the iteration number, the more your result will be perfect. And the initial conditions, you can choose whatever you want. Okay, so this is all.